Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming both devices support Wi-Fi Direct and that Wi-Fi is enabled. This enables peer discovery. Next, open Settings Wi-Fi Direct or Connections and make your device visible so the other can find it. Once visible, on the receiving device, choose the sending device name to request a connection. You accept the prompt. You do this now because pairing creates a direct high-speed link without a router, and faster transfers reduce chance of interruption. Once devices are paired, open the file, photo, or folder you want to move and tap Share, then choose Wi-Fi Direct or Nearby Share. Select the paired device. You confirm the incoming connection on the receiving device and grant any storage permission so files can be saved. During transfer, watch the progress indicator. Larger files take longer but maintain integrity over Wi-Fi Direct. If you want faster throughput, avoid other heavy Wi-Fi use and keep devices close and away. After transfer completes, open a few received files to verify they are intact and check file sizes. This confirms success. Then gracefully disconnect the Wi-Fi Direct session and turn off visibility to conserve battery and prevent unsolicited requests. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Toggle Wi-Fi on both devices and reinitiate pairing. You should also restart the sending app or reboot the devices if toggling fails, because transient network stacks often clear with a reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.